And when I was on the West Coast in the 50s, I was invited to a Sunday brunch by an Asian family, friends from New York, Japanese Americans, and they went around the table, the circle, and apparently their custom is on Sunday brunch, everyone had to recite a poem or sing a song. I didn't have any poems or song that came to mind, except, unfortunately, a song that Belaski used to sing called The Miller's Tears. It's a sort of sad Yiddish song, but I thought they'd appreciate it since they were an agricultural people, the Japanese folks around me, who unfortunately had been detained during World War II. So I sang him a little bit of the Miller's Tears. It's a long song, I won't give you the whole song, except he says toward the end, Die Räder drehen sich, the wheels keep turning, die Jahren gehen sich, the years keep going, und euch mit sie geht euch der Ried, and also with the years, the Jew, I am going as well. First part of the song is a lament that they want to drive him out of town. I suppose the mill is no longer needed. Anyway, they loved it because it resonated with them as what a Japanese song would be, what a Kyoto song would be, what a Korean song would be. So it was quite nice. So these echoes, these little echoes are always a nice reminder that one carries many sources.